Daily Math Review number 2. So we're going to graph the inequalities on the number line provided. Inequalities just means the less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, things like that. So this first one over here in the pink, G is greater than or equal to -5. First of all, if we have greater than or equal to, we have this extra little line down here. That means we need a closed circle. So we're going to have a closed circle on -5. So closed circle on -5. So remember, closed circle is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or equal to. Open circle, less than, greater than, or not equal to. Alright, so we are going to shade it. Let's take a look here. G is going to be any number greater than or bigger than -5. So it can be 0, it can be 5. All of those numbers are to the right of that point. So we are going to shade the line on the right. So we shade the line here. We're going to take this one and just drag it up here. All right, let's take a look at the next one. If we look over here, H is equal to 13. If I said you had $13, do you have any more than $13? No. Do you have any less than $13? No. But do you have $13? Yes. So all that you are going to do is just put the closed circle, because it's equal to, closed circle, whoop, you have it, it's a closed circle on that 13, and that's it. No shading either way, because that's it. It just says it's equal to. So all it is a closed circle. That's going to be it for the DMR number 2. Great job.